knows absolutely nothing, but we all love her. Then there is Major, who is a little boy, and we all love him, even though he can be kind of buggy at times, especially when he's hungry and wants food, which is about 90% of the time. Let's see. I have snakes. Just regular corn snakes, nothing fancy, nothing big, nothing, exciting. And then we have a leopard gecko. We have... Ow, that hurt. We have a bearded dragon, who we all love. And we have... Then we have... We have... a couple tortoises. We have a couple cicadas, and we have a couple cicadas, and then Hip. Hip. Well, chicken just got eaten. We have a I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember if she's a cherry head or a red-footed tortoise. But she's my tortoise, and I love her no matter what. Then, other than that, no other pets. We have a son. He is kind of a pet. He is 10 months old, but not really a pet. Then we have... my husband, who is, in fact, a pet. I love him, but he is my pet. And he knows it. God, I forgot how cute this game was. I also forgot how annoying they sound when they jump up and down. Oh, boy. That's a lot of slime poop. I'm gonna go take these back because I don't want to be... Ow. Oops. Sorry, Slimy. Now I just need to wait for chickens to grow, and I can get rid of that. That was probably mean. Probably shouldn't be, like, getting rid of the extra slime that way. Hey there, Beatrix. The name's Tora West. I'll keep my introduction short on account that we got work to do. I'm a longtime rancher here on Far Far Range and head of the welcome wagon for your local range exchange. The Range Exchange is a network of ranchers, just like yourself, who are looking to trade what they got for what they need. Slimes, porks, food, whatever. All you need to do is check out the Range Exchange machine and be sure to get the trade completed within 24 hours. As more ranchers get added to your network, you should receive a hearty hello from them, so check your inbox. Well, enough drawling. We've got some slimes to wrangle. Adios, Beatrix. I'm gonna sleep until morning. You're so cute. Alright, you are trying to get my slime. My chickens. Go away. Bad chicken. Whoa. Whoa, that was a lot louder than I expected it to be. You're gonna eat my... You little dog. You ate my chicken. I wanted my chicken. You little jerk. I hate these things. I hate these little bat buttholes. There we go. Well, hopefully that will keep the slimes out. Probably not, knowing my luck, but hey. Go with the garden. We are gonna pork juice. We'll put a carrot in there. Let's go see if we can find any more chickens. Hi, Brandy. What are you doing? Sorry. Brandy is a cutie pie and she knows it. She doesn't let anybody else forget it. And the slime goes everywhere. Ah, chicken. No. You guys cannot eat all the chickens. Dim little pigs. Ow! I want that! Give me that back! Oops. Okay. Okay. Weird. Hear noises in the kitchen, even though no one's home with me. And there goes Brandy again. Okay. Chicken, 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 chicken. Rock Park. And pink soup. I am a poop peddler, yay! Poop peddler. I am a poop peddler. Okay. You know what? Screw you. You guys can all come over into the high wall one because I'm tired of you guys escaping. Yeah. And you. Whoop. And the dogs are going crazy, because why wouldn't they be going crazy? Go away. No. Ow. The entire cave system is sealed off from cave-in when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why the fellas up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't let that long-awaited bite come from your own rump. Bring some food to calm them down. Are the grumpy ones up here? Where? I see no grumpy signs. Oh, that's right, these guys. I don't like these guys. They're annoying. Yeah. Yeah. Ow. 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 God, they're grumpy. These ones are grumpy enough for me. I went out looking for rock plorks. Rock slimes. Oh. No! Nice. Rock slime. Veggies. Okay. 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 Yep. Starmail! Salutations, Miss Libu. Victor Humphreys. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Victor Humphreys, professional slime rancher, slime scientist, and amateur musician. My understanding is that Miss West has already informed you how the range exchange works, so I will spare you any further education. Instead, I'll illuminate you on what you can expect from my own requests. As a slime scientist, rancher, I have tremendous interest in Luperform Legion that we share this vast range with. My slimes, my studies, often keep me from venturing out on the range daily. And when I find myself short of a particular species, I use the range exchange to fill that gap. Don't worry though, I will reimburse you handsomely for your effects. Good luck in your new venture, Miss LeBeau. I look forward to seeing life breathe once again into the former Twillager's ranch. P.S. I once lost my favorite fiddle while fleeing a feral boom slime. Its value is only sentimental, but should you find it, I'd very much love to be able to play it again. And see if I can talk, because we know I can't for some reason today. Dear Casey, hi B. I bought a cactus from you, sort of. When I came back home, it was one of the only things you left in your shop. Was a lonely little guy, so I decided to adopt you. You know, I kill every plant I touch, but I promise you this one will last. I mean, if I can keep a cactus alive, then clearly something... If I can't keep a cactus alive, then clearly something